Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the portable washing machine. We'll look at their capacities, design, usability, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers a total capacity of 20 pounds, which is divided into 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, making it ideal for smaller loads. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments at once, the Giantex may be the better choice. However, if space is a concern, the portable washing machine's smaller capacity might suit your needs. The Giantex features a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning, which enhances efficiency during laundry. Its dimensions are larger, making it less portable but more functional for regular use. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is designed to be compact and foldable, making it easy to store in small spaces like apartments or dorms. This design prioritizes portability over capacity, making it a great option for those on the go. Both machines are semi-automatic, but their usability differs. The Giantex requires manual transfer of clothes between the wash and spin tubs, which can be a bit cumbersome. A pack tub. However, it offers adjustable timers for customization. The portable washing machine, with its integrated spin-dry basket and preset cleaning modes, is simpler to operate, making it a great choice for those who prefer a straightforward washing experience. If you value ease of use, the portable washing machine may be more appealing. In conclusion, both the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The Giantex is ideal for larger loads and offers more robust features, while the portable washing machine excels in portability and ease of use. Depending on your specific needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.